This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable hardware acceleration in Thunderbird. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Thunderbird here. I am on Thunderbird now. To enable or disable hardware acceleration, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the pane off to the left hand side, I am on the General tab, and on the center pane you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and at the very bottom under the indexing section right here, use hardware acceleration when available. By default, this is probably checked. That means hardware acceleration is enabled. If you uncheck it, then hardware acceleration is disabled. That is how to enable or disable hardware acceleration in Thunderbird. Thanks for watching.